Namaste. What if I can tell you a technique that will help you to understand your emotions, understand your feelings, and help you to connect with that higher power, the higher reality, the creator, the more than something more than us. That is called Pranava. In Patanjali Yoga Sutras, it is mentioned as Tasya Vachaka Pranavaha. By clear utterance of this Pranava, A, O, Ma, has a real calming effect that leads to the higher states of consciousness. Our gross body, our subtle body, and our causal body combine together when we are chanting Pranava. This is the sound of existence. In this video, we'll see how to do Pranava Japa. Namaste, I am Badrinath Gella. I am the founder of Conscious Breathing Hub, where all the people join together to work on their breathing, improve their respiratory system and overall health. If you want to join our community, I am leaving the WhatsApp community link below, where you can join and keep updated with our programs and our offerings. A, U, Ma. These are the only sounds which you can do without using your tongue. You can try A, U, Ma, where you do not use your tongue. This is the sound of existence as per yogic philosophy. When you are uttering these sounds, this engages, when you are uttering A, it engages the lower parts of your lungs. When you are uttering U, it engages the middle part of your lungs. When you are uttering it engages the upper part of your lungs, so that all the lungs will function properly. It also helps you to improve your respiratory system. By doing this, it is a meditative practice. By doing this, you can feel a lot of calming effect and also connect with your source, connect with your true self. This is the only way in yoga philosophy where you can realize the God, you can realize the higher reality. This is how you have to chant this A, O, Ma. When you are doing A, you have to open your mouth widely and you have to say A. Observe the lower part of your lungs are getting engaged when you're doing, and below the navel, the vibrations are coming from your navel and upwards. Next, O. Make a circle in the middle. O. If you observe, the middle part of your lungs and thoracic region and chest region getting engaged and the vibrations are going up. Next, Ma. Mouth closed. The upper parts of lungs getting engaged. This is the complete practice. We can also join all of them together like this. Now we'll do this for 3 times. Each one for 3 times and combined one for 3 times. Inhale deeply. Next, O. Next, Ma. Next, we'll join all of them together. A-U-Ma. Observe the vibrations. While you are doing, keep all your consciousness on the sounds produced. Understand your feelings and emotions while you are uttering these sounds. Slowly open your eyes. I hope you felt very calming and very soothing. This is very important practice to calm yourself and take you to the higher states of meditation. If you really wanted to succeed in your meditation, this is the perfect practice, and especially if you are suffering with sleeping disorders or any sleep related problems, practice this before you go to the bed. You will see a lot of changes. I hope you found this video useful. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want to join our community, the WhatsApp link is given below, and like the video and share your experience below. Thank you. Namaste.